Okay, so I finally fixed that sprocket. I had to use my tap and die set and get that sprocket back together with that broken screw. So I fixed that. That's awesome. Now I've got these tracks. Now they come a little bit longer than what you need. So, as you can see, I got this one on, but I had to remove 6 links to get it to be the right length. I may even take a 7th one off because I've got the tensioner all the way extended, and it still has a little bit of slop, but we'll see how that works. It's not that big a deal to take, another link off, and I'm gonna do that now. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna remove 6 links of this track. So basically, you're gonna take this this punch, which this is actually really sharp, but it's small enough that it's going to get to this pin. There's a pin in each one of these. I'm just going to tap it a little bit. I just tapped it with the back of a screwdriver. And what happens is that pin comes out just a little bit. And I'm going to just grab it and pull it right out. And that'll split it. So now I can just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll take that out. So do it this way actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll do the pin right after the 6th one. Tap is all it takes. Grab it from the other end, pull it out. There. Now I've got those links out. Alright, and then to put it back in, just line it up again and put the pin in. Now, the pins on these have a smooth end and kind of looks like a knurled end on the other end, so it's kind of rough. So you want to put the smooth end in first, and then it will friction fit itself in. So just kind of line it up, push it as far as it'll go, and it'll stop at that rough edge. And then you just take something like, use my Gerber tool, just kind of tap it into place, and yeah, we're good. Then come over here to the other side, and I'm going to want to loosen up this tensioner on here. This out of the way. Alright. Now, so this tensioner can go up and down. We're going to start by putting it on the sprockets. Now these particular tracks have, see on here, they have 2 holes, one on either side, and that's for the 2-sided sprocket over here. Going to line it up, and then the wheels go in between these little fingers inside of here. Just going to bring it all the way around with that tensioner as tightened up as possible. Make sure I've got everything good. Tensioner's there. Bring it there. Okay, so now it's going to be loose. So I'm just going to get the wheel inside of there, and then I'm going to tighten up that tensioner. I'm going to need an Allen wrench for that. Okay. So, make sure it's in the groove. It is. And then I'm just going to tighten it up. Also going to want to spin on the other side because there's a nut. So I have to hold that nut stationary. I'm going to tighten all this stuff up afterwards. This is just preliminary, getting it together. It's not all the way up. There we go. Alright. There. That's good for now. So now, it's awesome. Look at that. It's cool. It's really awesome. So, I got it basically together. This is the kit. It's pretty much assembled. I just need to figure out which controller I'm going to use to run these motors to drive this thing, and then we can start adding different sensors, a robot arm or two, or whatever we want to add to it. But you know, I'm pretty happy. It worked out good. Once I get past that one spot where yeah, it was one of these screws came where the threads were just bad, so I had to use my tap and die kit and put new threads on there, and once I did that, we're good to go. So yeah, I'm happy. So future video, we'll start working on this and adding things to it. Yeah, because eventually I would like to make a large tank-based robot. So this is a good start, and I'm sure you'll see it again in the future. Until next time, take care.